Yeah.
Hey Slasher, how you doing today?
Hey, what's up?
How's it going?
All right.
What are we cooking? What are you cooking today for us?
Today we're gonna do some Arctic wings.
Arctic wings.
Arctic wings. Yeah. We got to get these. We got to get these out of the freezer.
Oh, they're frozen. Wait a minute. All right.
We got 6 pounds here. Frozen solid.
Frozen. All right. Yeah. So you're gonna thaw them, right? Like, isn't that the idea? Though, don't you gotta thaw them? Do I have to stop the video so you can thaw these things, or what?
Yeah. Well, we're just gonna put them in just like this.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're frozen.
I always trust what
and
you
we
do.
got a good sized pan here. So we'll just take that cover off. I'm just gonna dump these in. That's all.
Oh man, those are big wings.
Yeah.
Those are already injected with juices. That's the thing with these frozen wings. I use them during the big game every year. It's easy to cook them up and then do what you want after. But yeah, this is great.
There we go.
Easy. Yeah, easy peasy. All right.
There we go. Improvise. You gotta improvise sometimes.
All right. So this is one of those things where I think a lot of people say, well, with their frozen wings, I gotta thaw them up and then I'll just dry them out. I'll cook them in the oven, whatever.
That's it.
You're doing something that, hey, if you're out hunting, you're in the cabin, or if you're hanging out with your boys.
That's right.
This is it's almost like a one-pot meal.
Well, if you get home from work and it's it's a little late, you don't feel like thawing the wings out, you could just do this.
Yeah.
He says it's only this is probably an hour.
Okay.
To have these wings complete, ready to go.
All right, so we'll check on them in a second. And,
yeah, it's gonna be a bit. So I think I'm gonna go and take a walk. I saw a deer running over there. I gotta go and check out how big he is. Yep. You're just melting.
Let's keep this fire going in the cabin.
Yeah.
In the pit cabin.
The pit cabin. There we go. It's a good stove.
Oh yeah.
Now we just take a piece of butter.
Okay.
We'll put right there in the center there.
Butter.
Just in the center. The cover back on. And just let it sit for a bit. Cook.
Did you just see a deer? Let's go find that deer you saw. Maybe we can go.
What's that?
Didn't you see a deer?
I did before. But he ran like crazy.
He knew you were here.
I couldn't catch up with him. I couldn't catch up with him.
All right.
Yep. So.
Pitmaster privilege here.
You join me? Oh, you had a hole in the bottom of your glass, I think.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, right.
All right. Here's to you.
BBQ Pit Boys for life.
Pit Boys for life.
All right. All right. There you go. Turn on that butter.
Now we'll just let that chicken cook.
All right.
Yeah.
Put the butter in there.
They're starting to look more and more like buffalo wings. With all that ice gone.
How long do you gotta cook them like this for? Or what do you get them up to a certain temperature?
Yeah, until I get up at about 180. Maybe 185. There we go.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, they're shrinking down. That's what we want. We want them to shrink down. Now we're going to drain off a little now.
All right.
We're going to drain it off again.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a hot pot.
I could have told you that. It just tells you how much liquid is produced when you do this style. but it turns out great. And we're doing this style of wing is going to be the fall off the bone real easy tender wing. I mean, this style of wing is, people like it crispy, you can like this, but this style in particular tastes great as well. I love it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's going to happen.
Yeah.
I'm going to give it about 5 more minutes this way before we put it in the bowl.
Got it. Okay. Oh, I think these are ready for bowl transition. Yeah, I mean, you can't stress enough. You gotta mix them around a little bit. You don't want them to stick, especially as that water evaporates out, all that liquid, the juices and stuff evaporate out.
Go.
So we just remove the wings, put them in the bowl.
Yep.
I'm gonna go back to the pan, scrape it down a little, right? You're gonna always have a little bit of stuff down there, so you scrape it down a little bit, get some of that off, and then you put a little oil in there.
There you go.
What are we using? What is that? Oh, Angus and Oink.
Yeah, Amos and Oink.
We're using their winter chicken.
It's got an amazing flavor. Yep. And we put a little bit of the blue labeled bottle. We all know what this is.
Soy sauce.
The soy sauce, yeah. The red hot sauce.
Oh, you know that red hot stuff that most people use.
We know about the red hot sauce.
Yeah. You can smell that. It smells good. Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Ready?
It's gonna cook it for a little bit.
Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, that stuff is good. Well, it's got vents. See the vents?
Yeah.
There's a vent there and a vent there. And you got a cover here and cover on the other side. So you could turn the cover.
So,
and you can close the cover off, make an oven out of it. Or you could turn it this way and make a vent out of it.
Yeah.
So.
Bake them up to temperature.
Yep.
I think it's missing something. What is it miss? Oh, there we go. A little bourbon whiskey.
Oh, man. Whiskey Arctic Hand.
Oh.
Sounds good to me.
Hey, cold winters.
Winter, chicken sinner.
Whoa! Gone to the Arctic. Man, the Arctic North.
Arctic
This is where
wings.
they grow chickens.
Well,
the Arctic.
well, this way we started out the Arctic, and then we ended up down in the Keys.
Oh, really? Really?
Yep. Went from
okay.
Arctic to the Florida Keys.
I like it.
That
I
way.
like it. So
Here it is.
these are like spicy wings.
That's it. They just fall apart.
Oh my goodness. Great technique, man. You start cooking them frozen.
That's a bowl.
Saves you a lot of time.
Got a bowl down
So
You're
good.
just coming right off the bone, man.
there. Yep.
Yeah, so you come back from a little hunting or hanging out. You had this thing going for a while. Braised it initially, added what you needed to add to it, and then you basically cooked it in like an oven, in a Dutch oven, and it just falls off the bone.
It's a good technique if you don't feel like thawing out the chicken.
Yeah.
Actually, this might be improved on just using fresh chicken wings, right? Because it's, in a sense, it's been marinated in a brine, in a salty brine.
Yeah.
Tenderizes it while it's frozen in
Yeah.
the grocery store or
Yeah.
whatever it is.
Yeah.
And throw it in frozen like this. Outrageous. You're done in no time.
See here.
Very good.
And some like it hot.
Yeah, gotta have the spicy.
As the warden would say, that's what she said.
That's it.
Yeah. And I guess if your grill is hot on the side, you can take a few of these, go right to the grill and really char them up too. Right?
Yep, absolutely.
Wow.
Cast iron does make a difference.
Now we're probably boring the hell out of anybody watching this because we're eating in front of you.
Yeah.
So,
But we're not apologizing.
no. So how does it go? The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out these Arctic wings, man. Imported from the North Pole. They're awesome, man. BBQ Pit Boys.
Yeah. For life.
Life, baby.
Yeah, baby.